Tigers and monkeys swing through the trees. Elephants trumpet with magical ease. Parrots are dancing, their feathers so bright. The jungle's alive with pure delight. Snakes start to shimmy, they slither and sway. Hippos are splashing, making waves all day. Lions and zebras forget all their fights under the moon on this magical night. Fireflies flicker like stars in the air. Gorillas are drumming without any care. The whole jungle moves to one happy beat, making this party completely complete.